Hi guys, today I'll show you how to replace the license plate bulb in Acura RSX. As you can see, the OEM is quite dim and it's yellow. Today we'll show you how to remove the OEM bulb and how to install the new LED. To remove the plastic cover, we'll be using this trim removal tool. So all we have to do is insert the tool between the plastic cover and this plastic trim, and as you can see, it's very easily comes out. There are two clips on the sides that hold the cover in place, and after you remove it, you have direct access to the original bulb, which I will remove right now. You simply pull it out like this, and this is how the OEM bulb looks like. We'll be using LEDs from Auxito as a replacement. The size is, it fits different sockets, 168, 194, 20 and 25, T10. Can be used actually as map lights, dome lights, and license plate light as well. It's 6000 Kelvin xenon white color. It is 300% brighter than the original, which we'll actually see shortly. Right now we'll install it. The installation is plug and play. All you have to do is simply insert the LED like this, and the installation is pretty much done. Now I will reinstall the cover. And that's it. Let's see how it looks like. I will turn on the lights and let's see what we have here. Oh yes, it is significantly brighter. It's white and looks really good. Again, we are using the LED bulb from Auxito. If you guys are interested, I will leave the link in the description. And thank you for watching.